guys, we're on our way to Graysdale Forest and we are in the middle of nowhere at the moment. As you can see, the roads here, there we go, it's quite narrow. It's like one car can fit in. And here's the view. Henry, try opening the window for us. View. There guys. So yeah, this is all going to Graysdale Forest. We're here. Nakarating na tayo. Look at the view. Maraming pumupunta dito. Yan yung mga sasakyan dyan. So we're going to the spot where it's called Go Ape. It's like a adventure spot. What's that there? Na yung mga zipline yan na, or gusto kag kung gimingaw kag kat og kahoy anay po ka, di ba? Nakanitaw guys, bayad pa rin may parking day, cabin mo free. That's screen. Namin guys, pangita namin asa tatapita. Diba? There's some
mo na gamon na puhon sa kabangahan ingani na siya, ingani atong baton siya, ingani siya.
Oh, that's what we want to do apparently in the area of Bohol.
Are we gonna have a dad version?
Kabangahan pohon.
Are we gonna have a dad version of that then?
Oh,
Dad's face instead of that one.
maybe that's statue. Let me view guys. Like my place, oh. This is the whole area. Yeah, we have no plans of where we're going at the moment, so we're just roaming around and find a spot where we could just have a picnic. At the moment we're in the middle of the trip, and yeah, the roads are quite narrow as you can see. Narrow yung ano, yung kalsada.
God.
There you go guys. Village dili guys. I think we're on top honest na we.
Yeah.
Wow, we're here, Henry. And Frodo's here.
Yeah, last time I swam in these waters, I saw a boot in the water.
Wait, really?
I saw a boot at the bottom. I saw shoes.
It's not that cold actually.
Really? Wait, I think you were in the different part of the lake though.
The opposite side, which is where over there.
Nai-toilet po din ako. Nangita lang lugar kung asa may maka settle down ug magkaon.
Don't try it, Joe. Can't try it.
What?
Poison.
What's happening?
It's not poison.
How's your day out?
It's been a total vibe. I've been vibing all day.
We woke up early, prepared we went to shop first, cook, prepare everything. I was the sous chef, he's the dummy chef. No, I'm no chef guys, I'm no chef, but he was the chef the whole time. I was just helping him prepare the stuff that he wanted to use. It's so nice guys, look at that.
Okay, fine.
Bye.
Wait,
Hello. Mulang way. Sick. Oi. Oy.
okay guys, Nanata, we found the spot. So how's the spot, ma?
Very nice.
Very nice compared to our usual spot.
Eating.
So we're about to eat now guys. I'm gonna show you what we have. I would say it's the usual stuff. Same as the last vlogs. So yeah, We're facing a nice view. What's that? Sa ito ano na? Sandwich. Pastrami. In short, PLT. Diyan na po may wrap.
Magdatag yung kuranan.
Chicken wrap?
Palit ha.
Diyan na po yung manok. Na po yung mais.
Daghang
Pinoy fruits.
Yung kuranan ng gatong kulong.
And some drinks.
Ila ba?
So yeah.
Maybe next time.
There you go. Let's eat guys. Kaunta. Ito yung mga tao nga nag-camping po diri guys. Kadugo pro diri. Oh, pwede po kanin mag pakuway. Naipir gamay. May sapa gamay ah. Oh, balukas na dapita pa dong. Okay. Dead end. Dead end. May fence pa dong ato guys. So, mora ni dapita. So, pier di ang dapita. Balik ta sa atong gikanan. Okay guys, we're back sa atong spot. Woo! Managkaon sila tanan. Well, kami tanan. Humanaming kaon. We're done eating. And Frodo and Henry's playing there.
I don't know. Which one goes first again?
Oh, I don't know.
After Last Airbender's water.
What do we?
Then air is fire.
What? Oh, there's people paddleboarding there.
I can do it better than them.
Yeah, right.
So I can do it.
This guy is not having fun at all.
Yes, I am. Frodo, come here.
Oh, need to fix your rope, Frodo. 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 Guys, so closer look sa katong nag-paddleboard. Shh, Frodo. Oh, no. Frodo. Wait, is it actually called Coniston, the village?
Yeah, that's Coniston. Daghan kita kayo.